Hi, this is Pavan from Team Conquerors. Today I will show you how to create a happy homepage through VS Code using CSS and HTML technologies. This is the page given to us. I'll show you how to create this page in step by step. For that I'm opening VS Code and opening folder. I already created folder. I'm opening that folder. Select folder. You can see, and it also created files index.html and style.html. First, I'm giving doc type and I'm changing the title happy page rollers and I press go live. It shows the title of the page is happy homepage, so it will changes. Now I'm linking the CSS using link tag to the HTML. Next, I'm giving division with body part with class name navbar, and I'm using a navbar that I'm using another list. I'm giving a list as into 11. You can see 11. And I'm writing the first one. First I'm creating this top bar. Just writing store Mac iPad iPhone iPhone TV entertainment help accessories and support AirPods Vision. AirPods Vision support. I'm saving the file. You can see all are come in vertically and with some dotted dots. So I want to remove the dots. I'll change some changes in giving body as background non-repetitive. Needed class called navbar base li using float as left. I'm saving the file. You can see all are coming horizontally. So I want to remove the dots. I use list style none. I'm saving the file. You can see all dots are removed. So I want some space between these words. So I'll use margin for that. Margin as 20 pixel. You can see some space between these lines. And I want this store to the right side. So I'll use here position as relative, and I'm giving left as 100 pixel contains. You can list the stories moved to the right side. Okay, the header part is completed. Now I'm adding the save on mic or iPad, same, and I'm creating another division for that. Creating another division that I'm using para for that. I'm writing save on Mac or iPad, iPad with education pricing, with education pricing, plus get a gift card up to 150. Get a gift card to 150. Now I'm saving the file. You can see all this come to the right side of the home page. So I'm giving division with class name Mac and CSS. I'm changing some changes. Mac position relative and float is given as left. Right equal to 600 pixel. Okay, equal to 600 pixel. Moving the position. Right here, right equal to that pixel. Standard pixel. No changes. I will go live once again. You can see this save on mic is coming to below this navigation bar. So I want to move that to center of the page equal to the pixel, and I'm saving the file. And I want to do some more extra, like 450 plus. I want to give 350. It's in the bottom of the navigation bar on the center of the page, and I want to move this to the top. I'll use top is 20 pixel, and I'm saving the file. And then you get -20. You can see 7 mic is almost, this part is completed. Now I want to insert this image in the background. For that, I had already that image in P1. This is the image. I want to move this to the project 11 and I want to insert the image here. Div image dot slash setting image control S. You can see the image is placed at the home page and I'm giving some class name as image. I'll show you the output clearly. Image position is relative. Left minus 30 pixel. Oh my god. I'm giving the class as image. So giving as absolute and I get the right 40 pixel. I can go live once again. You can see the image is moving but file is not saved. I'm giving left as 0 minus 30. I'm removing the left and right minus 60 minus 140. I'm giving 540 440 or 80 or 10. Okay, and now it's in the middle of the page. I want to get this image in the bottom, slightly bottom, so I'm using here top as 30 pixel, 130 pixel. Now we can see the image is in the under the navigation bar, so I'm giving as 100. So the image is in the under the navigation bar. So now bar is completed, the image also completed. Now I'm writing the text in the image. So I'm writing text in the image. So I'm writing the text in the same division. I'm creating another H1 for that. Writing vision. So I'm saving the file. You can see the text is in the bottom. I want this text in the on the image. So I'm giving some class name to the H1 the vision and I'm changing changing some changes in CSS dot vision position is relative left 30 pixel. Actually the text is moved to the left side. I'm giving left as minus 30 pixel. 300 pixel and wait, I will go live once again. go live. You can see the text is moved to the right side, so I am decreasing the left to 200, and I'm saying it's in the center of the image, and I want this in the top, so I'm using top here. I'm giving 20 pixel, no, minus 20 pixel, okay, minus 60 pixel, minus 90 pixel, 50 pixel, and 40. Okay, now the text is in the on the image. I want this text in 20. Okay, like this to 10 to 20, 100, 190. Now the text is on the image and center of the image. So Vision Pro is completed. Now I want this welcome to the era in the same like as Vision Pro. So I'm giving para in the same division with welcome to the era of spatial computing or spatial computing. And I'm saving the file. We can see welcome to the era spatial computing is comes below the image. So I want this, and I am giving some class to the paragraph with some para. I'm using same alignments here also. Control C. I'm saving the file. So you can see the text is comes beneath the Vision Pro. I want this some top side 140, 130, 150. Okay, and left to 230, 180, 150. Okay, now I want to add this available early next year in the US, same like as these two. So I'm creating another H6 available available early next year in the US. Early next year in the US. I'm saving the file. You can see available next year comes beneath the video. And I'm giving class name as avail. I'm using the same alignments here also. I'm saving the file. Here you can see the text is in the on the image. The text is in the image, so I want this text to some top side. So I can change some changes in the top 140, 150, 70. Okay. Next and left side is 140. Now the available text here is also comes in the image. So next I want to add this learn more. Actually this is the link. So I want to add this also. Attribute hash when I am saving the file. Here you can see the learn mode is comes under the image. So here I am giving some class name called learner, and I am giving same elements to the learner also. Learner C. I am saving the file. Again I am go live. You can see the learn mode is comes on the image. So I want to show you top is 160, left is 200, 220, 230, top is 140, 190. Okay, now almost the texting is completed on the image. Now I want to add this MacBook Air 15 under the image. So I create another division with class name book, and I'm giving here h1 as MacBook Air 15, 15, and I'm giving h para h4 as impressively big and impossible thing, impossibly thin, impossibly thin. I'm giving para as available starting 6.13. Okay, I'm saving the file. And second I press go live. You can see this Mac Airbook 15 and impressively big comes on the top of the page. I want to get these things in the bottom of the page. I'm giving the class name as book. I'm giving dot book. I want to copy this and paste it here and saving the file. And once again I press go live. You can see I'm moving top and saving the file. We can see the MacBook Air is the same. This removing left also. Yes, you can see this impressively big thing and MacBook is changing. I give some last name called Air. Control C, Control V, Air. Once again I press Go. You can see impressively big things here. I want this in the bottom of the page and I'm decreasing the top, increasing top. Body and I'm changing the class name dotted absolute. Now you can see the impressively big thing is changed to 4. Now changes. Once again I press go live. So I change this division. I'm giving the MacBook Air with class name Air and I'm pressing go live. With 0 pixel left and top is 0 and 75. You can see the MacBook Air is in the left side, so I want to get this in center. I'm increasing the size. Control S 5. So now you can see MacBook Air is in the center. So I want this in the top bottom of the page. So I'm giving 590, left as 550. So welcome to the era is para is changed. Come to the era. Okay. Okay. Now I want to get these things in also in the bottom of the page. So I'm using class name, using class name. I want to use this class name in the division part. And so MacBook and possible things and starting 6.3 all are comes in the bottom of the page. And I'm aligning this left as 500. Yes, you can see the left is finally home page of the app is created, and I also add some learn buttons here, learn more and a anchor tag hash learn more anchor tag hash order and saving the file. You can see I want some space between these files, so I'm using class name as more, saving the file, and using in CSS I'm using position as relative margin the pixel. Okay, giving here 40 pixel, so you can see all in. Now you can see all are in bottom of the image. So finally the home page is exactly created with CSS and HTML to VS Code. This is the CSS file I used, HTML file I used here. Once again I'm go living this. This is the final output I got. So thank you for giving this opportunity. Thank you.